In the last video, I gave you another great trade. Look at the previous trades: long, short, short from here, long from here, short from here. This was the exact last trade, and I'm back from vacation. I'm ready to record. So we'll start with the daily chart. Obviously, this video, by the way, is no financial advice. Hit the like button. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll make daily FET price prediction videos. So the first thing we want to understand is we broke out of this daily trend line right here, and we also retested it. We also retested this low, which turned out to be a great support area for a while. And we really want to make sure we understand what's going on with the chart right now. The first important area that we are at is, and that we want to mark out, is this level right here. This is an important daily level because weeks like this normally, and weeks like this tend to give us a better understanding of where market wants to go, because there's a lot of liquidity there, and this is where price had a sharp reaction to. Also, we had an insane amount of shorts. They started closing basically yesterday at the end of the US session, and as soon as they started closing a little bit more seriously, we had a beautiful pump to the upside. RSI went from at the time it was like 40 on the 30 minute. It went to 67 pretty quickly, like within an hour or so. We could have gotten like a quick 1-2% gain just like that. So right now we're actually getting more trades that have we're getting more shorts again after they got a reset right here, and we can have a potential dump at any second really. But what I really want to see is a pump to this level right here, from where we can actually short. So this would be the ideal trade for me. And this would be this area right here, because a lot of stop losses will have their levels there. So this is my trade. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm up 274 grand on meme coins. If you want to follow the meme coin trades, there you can sign up for my signals chat in the description down below. Also, I've discounted my course to just 97 bucks, so you definitely want to check it out. And I'll have some bonuses from BingX if you want to check them out. Like 8 grand worth of bonuses. Use the link in the description down below. Win up to $8,205 plus USDT. See you next video. Bye.